Ads don't appear in all the sites, okay? So Google has the most difficult anti-bot policy or anti-bot technology. So a lot of sites don't serve us, like you can see here. So every time we run a crawl, these URLs are crawled first, and then scraper finds on the home pages, it will build a deeper crawl. This is how the URL discovery is done. Or if you are building something interesting and you are stuck, do reach out to me, I can help you out. Walk you through the PowerAdSpy GDN and Native Intelligence Crawler architecture, which we built in last couple of days. Let's talk about the seed URLs first. So ads don't appear in all the sites, okay? Like there are like billions of sites on the internet, so you won't find ads on all of them. So what we did was, we basically saw that news sites have a lot of ads, news articles have a lot of ads. So we told Claude, so give us 1000 URLs per geo. So basically we made like text files with 1000 URLs. These are like the seed URLs. So every time we run a crawl, these URLs are crawled first, and then scraper finds on the home pages, it will build a deeper crawl. This is how the URL discovery is done. So this is the launcher. This is like the most critical. It's like the orchestrator of the application. So here it basically keeps all the browsers running all the time. So we have like 2 machines, one Linux and one Windows. So there are some multiple instances, more than 50 instances running on the Linux server, and around 20 to 26 on the Windows machine where I'm actually coding. So this video is from that machine. The source code is here, and here you can see. So this is the code. The job of the launcher is basically to launch the Chrome profile, make sure that they are up and running, they don't break. If any Chrome profile is breaking, or if it is going out of memory, or if it is not performing the way it should perform, launcher basically controls that. It closes or ends the profile's life cycle and restart another Chrome profile. So you can see Chrome Reaper.py, which is part of the launcher. Chrome Reaper.py, it basically function reap orphans, which basically finds crashed or non-working Chrome processes, which are not live, and then kills them. So it ensures that we always have live working headless Chrome processes which are continuously scraping. This is the code of worker, like the basically one headless Chrome profile, which essentially picks one URL, scrapes it, basically gets the ads, and then inserts the ads through API into our dashboard. Worker is basically one headless Chrome browser which attaches itself to a country specific IP from Decodo and scrapes the data. So we use the proxy chaining, where each headless Chrome profile gets its own individual IP. So we have 500 IPs from Decodo. So news site basically sees that we have 500 different users trying to scrape from 500 different news sites. So it's like a real user trying to see ads. We are trying to scrape Google. So Google has the most difficult anti-bot policy or anti-bot technology. So a lot of sites don't serve us, like you can see here. So this is a live crawl with the latest 100 URLs. So you can see a lot of zeros, means these sites didn't serve us there, but they have ads. Like if I open the site here, sorry, this served us. So let's just this 0. Yeah, we'll click on this site, and then so this is force.pl, and so here you can see the ads are loading now after I clicked on. They have ads, but our scraper was not able to see the ad. There could be because of multiple reasons. This consent window that came up first, maybe like Google was not serving to that IP or that profile at that particular point of time. So it could be for multiple reasons. So which is why we use like warming. So warming basically means that brand new browser test tries to fetch ads from a news site. Most of the time, like 90% of the time, it will get 0 ads. Over time, like if you have browsed few hundred websites and build the cookie information basically, then the Chrome profile has some data, and Google will see that, okay, this profile looks like a real user, and then it will start serving it ads. So we have this scraper basically worms all the profiles and uses that. Then the GDS class of scrape main basically clears the consent on the pages so that we can see the ad, and then finally we extract the ads using, so GDN ads are basically loaded in iframe. You insert that in the database, and the native ads are basically loaded as DOM widgets. We scrape that and also insert. So we keep the advertiser image, its size, and advertiser the URL. These are the things that we store. And then we also click on the ad to go to the final advertiser page. So that is very important to see who is advertising, because that's what the PowerAdSpy users need. That's it. Then we did deduplicate and send it to the API. Once we have the ad, we basically check if it is not already existing in the database using the dedup API, and then if it's a new ad, then it gets inserted. This is the process you see here. Basically, it checks if the ad already exists. If yes, then skip. If not, just insert it in using the GDN Ads Data API. So this is the basic architecture. I think this I have already explained how it works. And the live dashboard I've shown you. This is the detailed explanation, detailed architecture of this application. So in case you are looking to build a scraper and you are part of my community, you can access the source code of this. Most of this is written in Python. PowerAdSpy dashboard is written in Node. Walkthrough dashboard that I have built, the benchmark dashboard, that's in Python and Fast API. So if you are part of my community, you can download the source code and customize it and use it however you want. And if you have a scraping project where you are looking to scrape data website, it could be like, let's say, Google Maps, scraping Google Maps and finding leads. Most of the scraping projects that builders or entrepreneurs do are like lead generation projects. Like you scrape leads and you email them, some product or service of yours. So if you are a builder who is looking to scrape anything on the internet, comment on this video or reach out to me, send me a DM. I can help you out. I have written scrapers for almost any website on the internet today. I have also done testing of multiple IPs, multiple proxy providers. So you can see here, like you can see here in this dashboard. So I'm going to keep building on this. So this week I'm planning to build separate video for the YouTube scraper. So I'm not gonna drop details here, but yeah, next video will be on a YouTube scraper where we'll millions of YouTube URLs to scrape ad video information. So that's very interesting. If you're an entrepreneur who has needs of any kind of YouTube data, drop a comment below like what kind of data you want me to scrape from YouTube, and I will be building this week. Obviously posting videos and content about it. So thank you everyone for watching this video today. Please follow me on Instagram, subscribe my channel on YouTube, or if you are building something interesting and you are stuck, do reach out to me. I can help you out. And if you like my content, do join my community on buildwithsummit.com. Over the next couple of months, we will be building, launching very interesting projects together. I will help you out. I will help you to build them out. I will help you to market them, and hopefully we'll learn something new with this. Thank you.